So welcome to another class. This is our last class where we talk a little bit about VirtualBox Manager. This is a powerful tool for create and manage our VMs throughout the command line. For see it work, I'm gonna open our VirtualBox Manager, but it's not necessary. I'm only opening it for re-see how this command works, and I need open my terminal. If you are on Linux, you gotta open your terminal. If you are on Windows, open your command prompt or your PowerShell. If you are on macOS like me, just open your terminal. So just in here, and okay. For enter these commands, you no need enter with administrator. Okay, then let's go. The first command is VirtualBox Manage list VMs. So okay, here I have this VM, Windows 10. It is this VM. And here we have Ubuntu desktop. It is this VM. And here I have our UUID. This command only lists all VMs created on our host computer. Enter clear to clear our screen. And second command is a command for list all VMs running. So enter VirtualBox Manager list running VMs. We don't have any VM turned on. For see it, I'm gonna enter other command, a command for start VM. For it, enter VirtualBox Manage start VM. This command start some VM if you want, and enter type headless. This option only start your VM, but your VM don't open a new window. It's only work in background. And finally, your VM name. In this case, we're gonna start this VM, Ubuntu desktop. So okay, this is our command. Hit enter, and this VM is running. You can see this VM is powered on, but we don't have a new window with this VM. So for view the VMs running, I run again VirtualBox Manager list running VMs, and here we have Ubuntu desktop. This VM started right now. So enter clear again for clear our terminal. And we're gonna power off this started VM. For it, enter VirtualBox Manage Control VM. Enter the VM name, in this case Ubuntu Desktop, and ACPI power button. With this command, we're gonna shutting down our VM, but I have other command for shutting down our VMs. This is a power off command, and hit enter. So this VM is powered off. With the power off, the machine is forced to shut it down. So enter clear to clear our terminal, and okay. Other very important command is to manage snapshots. For this, enter VirtualBox Manage Snapshot. Enter the VM name, in this case Ubuntu Desktop. Take a new snapshot, and enter the snapshot name, in this case snap class, and hit enter. So here we have a new snapshot called snap class. If I click this button, and snapshots. I have here our snapshots created on this VM, and here I have our last snapshot created right now. So okay, for restore a snapshot, I only use the option restore here. So I'm gonna restore for this snapshot working with appliance. For this, enter the snapshot name here. Okay, and hit enter. And here we have a new snapshot applied successfully. So enter clear to clear our terminal. And other very important command is export and import appliances. For it, let me see how directory we are in. Okay, I'm gonna change it for my desktop. Clear. And okay, for export and applies behind the terminal command, we only need enter this command: VirtualBox Manager export VM name, in this case Ubuntu desktop, O parameter, and applies name, in this case applies dot over, and okay, hit enter. So we have here progress, and here we have a new file has been created. So this VM is successfully exported, and our last command of today is a command for import VM through the appliance. For it, enter VirtualBox Manager import .over file. In this case, we're gonna use this same over. For it, enter appliance .over vsys0 VM name, and here we need enter a new name for this VM imported. In this case, Ubuntu imported. So okay, hit enter, and our VM has been created. We're only gonna wait this process to finish. So okay, this process are finished, and here we have our VM imported, working very good. I'm gonna power it off this, enter clear, and okay, of course we have several commands to use in the terminal. You have make several operations throughout these commands, but this is only a demonstration about this powerful tool. You can use other interesting software with VirtualBox like HashiCorp Vagrant, for example, which is a great software to quickly deploy and destroy machines, widely used by developers worldwide. Then that's it. Our course ends here. I hope it has contributed to your learning and that this is just a step towards your research in the VirtualBox world, which has a lot to contribute to the career of developers, hackers, software testers, and network administrators, among other professionals. My English is little limited as it is not my mother tongue, but I'm concentrated my effort on improving it. Sorry about this. Don't forget to leave your evaluation of this course because your feedback is very important to me because through it I improve my content. See you later.